Well, so very many British businesses are suffering at the moment. For others, demand is higher than ever. A plastic firm that supplies global companies with moulds to make professional face masks has had to ramp up its production over the past 6 weeks. The boss has even gone back to the factory floor to help his workforce with the increasing workload. Michael Hadfield joins me now from Manchester, where he has one of his sites. Michael, how's it been over the past few weeks?
Yeah, it's been quite tough. It's been very challenging. We've been making this type of equipment now since 1987, so we know exactly what we're doing. But the ramp up has been quite dramatic. So we're virtually doing double what we were doing 6 weeks ago. And I have to say that all staff in the business have really risen to the challenge. You know, working 24 hours a day, right across weekends.
It's a key time in British manufacturing, obviously a really tough time, as you say, for most businesses, but you have seen some rival businesses helping each other right now.
I think it's been very, very good to see. A lot of people have been struggling to get materials, and through things like LinkedIn, they've put on there what they require, and even competitors have been supplying them with grades of materials that they need for production. Normally these companies wouldn't help each other at all, but during this, for the greater good of the country, they've really stepped up to the mark, sharing materials and knowledge, even down to IP of intellectual property of designs, so that people can make product. It's been amazing.
Sorry to interrupt you there. Why have you decided to help out on the production line right now?
I think it really is just to try and show the staff that, you know, we're asking them to do something which maybe, you know, with all of the news about the virus and how bad things are, it's quite tough for a lot of people to make the decision to still come to work. And I think that going out on the shop and showing that I'm going to work with them and the other directors are doing the same, it shows that we're not asking anyone to do what we're not prepared to do ourselves. Are
you any good on it? What sort of reaction have you had from the workforce?
Well, I don't think I wouldn't have a long-term job at it. I know that my assembly time is not great, so I've tried to focus a little bit more on quality control. So, but when I have been assembling things, I'm not quite as good as the trained staff by a long way.
Michael Hadfield, thank you so much for joining us and sharing your experiences with us. Thank you.
No problem. Thank you.